If you're hoping to start your own business, you have probably done plenty of research on how to make it a success. However, have you ever considered franchising? Franchising is a reliable way to set up and manage your own business, but with additional support and security. In this video, we will explain everything you need to know about the franchise business model. Number 10. What is the franchise business model? A franchise business model is a legal and commercial agreement between a franchisor and a franchisee. Individual franchise business models will vary between companies and industries and will depend on the agreement set out by the franchisor. However, there are some aspects which feature in most franchise business models. For example, a franchise is dependable on the agreement of two parties, the franchisee and the franchisor. Number 9. The franchisor and franchisee relationship. The franchisor is the parent company that sells the rights to franchise their brand to prospective franchisees. The franchisor is the one who has developed the company, brand, and operating systems. Upon the decision to franchise their business, the franchisor offers franchisees the rights to their proven business model, recognizable trademark, established business systems, and their training and support. The franchisee is the individual who buys the rights to sell the product or services and utilize the proven and established business system mentioned above. Although the franchisee is, in essence, buying a pre-established business, franchisees must work hard in order to gain loyalty in their market, attract talent, and grow their franchise business. After all, it is the franchisee that runs the day-to-day business. The franchisor-franchisee relationship should be one built upon mutual respect, understanding, and support. Of course, as with all relationships, no two are the same. Number 8. What is a franchisee business and how does it operate? A franchisee agreement requires two parties, a franchisor and a franchisee. A franchisor is the owner of the brand with decent goodwill who is looking for opportunities to expand which require less investment and his involvement. A franchisee is someone who is ready to invest and buy the rights to use the name, trademarks, business processes, and sell the products of that existing business which has a decent goodwill. A franchisee is not an entrepreneur who starts a business from scratch, but a smart businessman who buys the right to sell products of a business which has well-developed goodwill and demand. The franchisee and franchisor can be natural or an artificial person. That is, they can be an individual, a partnership firm, an LLP, or a company. Number 7. How does a franchise business operate? Operating model of a franchise business is simple. A franchisee buys the rights to use franchisor's business proprietary knowledge, process, trademark, and to sell products or provided services under the franchisor's name. The license has a cost which is known as the license fee, franchise fee. License fee amount depends on the scale and goodwill of the franchisor's brand and demand for their product. Apart from license fee, the franchisee is also required to pay ongoing royalty fee which is paid as a percent of gross sales to the franchisor. A franchisee is required to run the business according to the operations manual and the franchisee contract. Number 6. What franchisees can expect from their franchisor? The FDD. When a franchisee is serious about a franchise opportunity, the franchisor will share the Franchise Disclosure Document, the FDD, which holds imperative information about bankruptcies, various fees, franchisee obligations, and more. Financing options. For interested and serious buyers, some franchisors offer financing programs that can assist franchisees in finding a loan servicer or alternative method of payment. Location assistance. If the franchise requires a physical location, usually the franchisor will assist in site selection as well as finding a local contractor to construct the approved architecture. Training and operational guidance. Franchisors also provide franchisees with an operating manual and in-person or online training to understand how the business runs. The operating manual includes all of the roles of the employees' performance standards, management operations, and other specifications. The training tends to take place either at the franchisor's corporate headquarters or a combination of online training and in-person training. Marketing and advertising. Franchisors also supply their franchisees with marketing and advertising. This could be through television and radio ads or through social media and email campaigns. Franchisees are usually charged a marketing fee to cover this cost. Number 5. Role of the branding in franchising. All of the franchise business model revolves around a brand. A franchisor builds a brand which the customers buy. The franchisee buys the license to use the same brand name in the particular region and sell the standardized products of that brand. The market is set and it's a win-win situation for both the franchisor and the franchisee. Franchisor gets to expand the reach of its brand and revenue-earning sources without involving much monetary and non-monetary investment. Number 4. Types of franchise. Franchising is a form of business model that can pretty much be adapted to suit any industry. There are 3 types of main franchises that can be used across various types of businesses. Product. A product franchise is when the franchisor permits the franchisee to distribute a product which is branded with a franchise logo, name, and trademark. Manufacturing. In this type of franchise, the franchisee is authorized to manufacture the franchisor's product, then sell them using the name, logo, and trademark of the franchise. Business. The most popular type of franchise is a business franchise. A franchisee is licensed with the rights to manage a business under the franchise brand, following the franchisor's system and processes. Number 3. Types of franchise business agreements. In a business franchise model, another consideration is the type of ownership of the business. Would you like to operate a single store or branch out to multiple stores? Single store franchise. A single store franchise agreement means that a franchisee operates from one location or store. With a single store agreement, there is the option to act as an investor or to have a more hands-on experience and take on a management role. Multi-store franchise. With a multi-store franchise agreement, the franchisee has the right to open more than one store. This type of arrangement allows the franchisee to develop their single-store franchise business and expand to multiple stores. Number 2. Why franchising is a safer alternative to starting a business from scratch. Buying a franchise is a safer investment than starting a business from scratch, as the franchisee gets the benefit of existing market and demand. A franchisor has already invested much time and money in creating a market for their product. The brand has already positioned itself in the minds of the customers. A franchisee, by buying the franchise license, gets the benefit of selling products which have existing demand in the region. It's because of the existing demand of the brand that the franchisee is able to attain break-even a lot earlier than he would have attained if he had started his own business from scratch. Set operational process. The operating model of a brand is standardized and the franchisee has to adhere to the set standards. This actually prevents the franchisee from committing mistakes which he could have committed if he had started his own business. Less risk. The risk involved in starting a franchise business is less than compared to starting a new business. The franchisee is already aware of the financial investment involved, competitors, opportunities, and threats, and only starts this business if he feels that he'll benefit from it. He can take many precautionary steps like conducting research before starting the business in that area. Number 1. Why franchising is a better option for companies to expand their business. Starting and operating a new branch to expand the business involves a lot of time and financial investment. Franchise business model helps the brand to expand without these limitations. The brand earns through license fees and monthly, quarterly, ongoing royalty fee from the franchisee. Franchise business model even then lets the brand to reach places where it would have been difficult for them otherwise. Do let us know in the comments what are your thoughts about this business model. Thanks for watching.